Hello everyone! This Valentine's Day, we will show you how to draw a 3D heart as a special gift for your loved one, using ZW3D. Drawing a heart is not difficult. The key is to nail the curves of each surface, coupled with a bit of 3D spatial imagination. First, create a new file named Red Heart. And click OK to enter the part design interface. Start the sketch command, and select the YZ plane. Use the spline to draw half of the heart outline. Add constraints. Then, exit the sketch. Next, use the mirror geometry command. Select the profile as the entity and the XZ plane as the mirror plane to create the rest of the heart outline. Again, start the sketch command, and create a sketch on the XZ plane to draw the thickness of the heart using the spline command. We can pick the first point from the middle of the heart. Add constraints. And exit the sketch. Use the point command to add a point in the middle of the heart. Then create a reference plane based on the XY plane and offset it -20 units below the heart's midpoint. With the new plane as the sketch plane, draw a sketch. Use the reference command to reference the intersections of the other two curves with the current sketch plane as a range for drawing curves. Again, drawing with the spline command. Add constraints. And exit the sketch. Use the Curve Mesh command. Select the curves in sequence. Choose Normal for the continuity method and apply it to all. Then, generate one side of the heart surface. Start the Mirror Geometry command again, and mirror to create the other side of the heart surface. Use the Sew command to sew the two surfaces together to create a solid, finishing the heart shape. Finally, use the metal option in the Visualize to add a metallic light to the surface, and choose red color. That's how to design a 3D heart in ZW3D. Isn't it interesting? Give it a try today.